Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a TikTok Shop affiliate program review and explaining what it is, how it works, the good parts, the drawbacks, and who it might be right for. The TikTok Shop affiliate program lets creators earn commissions by promoting products from TikTok Shop in their videos. When someone buys a product through your affiliate link or tag, you earn a percentage of the sale. It turns your content into a way to make money without selling products yourself. One of the biggest advantages is how engaging and active the TikTok audience is. People scroll, discover products, and buy right from the app, which makes it easier for affiliates to get clicks and conversions. Short videos, live streams, and product showcases can drive sales fast when done right. Another positive is that TikTok provides in-app tools for affiliates to find products and see performance data. You can track clicks, views, and earnings to understand what works best for your audience. However, there are some downsides. Success depends heavily on how well your content resonates. Not every affiliate link gets clicks, and trends change quickly, so you need to stay active and creative. Also, the commission rates vary depending on the product category and seller, so some items pay more than others. TikTok's guidelines and policies must be followed carefully because violations can affect your affiliate access or earnings. You also need a consistent audience or niche to make affiliate marketing reliable. So, who is the TikTok Shop affiliate program best for? It's great for creators who already make content on TikTok, enjoy showcasing products, and have an engaged audience. If you like creating short videos and want to try earning commissions through your content, this program gives you a way to monetize without selling your own products. Overall, the TikTok Shop affiliate program is a strong option for creators who understand their audience and are ready to put in creative effort to drive sales and earn commissions. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.